Well, these just came in the mail. Got a little excited and started mocking things up uh, before I bothered recording the unboxing. Um, it came equipped with the balance beam already, kind of spaced out for a 50-50, which isn't really going to help anything. We're going to have to change that anyways. The pedals, they've got nice sharp little dimples on them in order to help grip your feet while you're driving. The hardware is overall pretty nice. It all glides and feels well. There's no excessive slop in anything. I would say that, you know, these bushings up here at the top could have been a little bit tighter for my liking, but what do you expect? I'm a machinist. I think tighter tolerances are better. Pedals, I've gone and just spaced them out as far apart as possible. This is going into a factory vehicle, and usually they have a little bit more spacing between one pedal and the next. We might move the clutch over one and move the brake over one. It all depends on how well it all sits with the gas pedal. Yeah, the casting is, I haven't seen anything stupid about the castings. Everything, you know, it sounded nice when I was flicking across areas to make sure it was still solid and there was no voids. Can't confirm that there's 0 voids in any of the casting without doing a sonic test. But overall, it looks pretty nice. This is a firewall mount set, so it goes right in like that. And then I think the pedal ratio on this is 6 1/4 to 1. That coupled with the 3/4 inch master cylinder for the clutch, which will actuate the clutch rather quickly, so that you won't need to give a full travel stab at the clutch in order to do your shifting. 3/4 and 7/8 on the rear brakes. So all in all, it should work out pretty good. I'm not sure if the gas pedal on the Super D project is going to be factory, or if we're gonna change just the pedal face, or put a whole entire new pedal right there. That's still to be determined.